Hello. Today we're going to go over the review sheet a little bit so you can understand, make sure that you understand things for the test tomorrow. The first thing that is really kind of a confusing thing is the common denominator. Sometimes it's hard to remember what it is and why it's important. The problem that brings up the question is 5/12 plus 1/20. Now, as you're thinking about it, these two denominators, obviously they're different, but it means that the sizes of the pieces are different. And so it's not equal. You can't just have 1/20 and 5/12 and things. It's just not going to work out. So these two need to be the same. Now, there are a lot of ways to find it, but one of the easiest ways is if I start with 12 and I do plus 12 is 24, right? Plus 12 more is 36. That's not going to help me here. Plus 12 more. 36 is 48. That's not going to help me here. Plus 12 more equals 60. Now 60 is a number that makes sense. If I know that 12, I can get 12 to 60. Look at the 20. 20 times 3 equals 60. Right? So now we know that the denominator that is common to both of these is 60. So you know that that will be the denominator. But now we have to figure out the equivalent numerators because we changed the denominator. We can't just bag the numerator. So 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we have 5 over 5, which is 1, multiply that together, and 3 over 3, which of course is 1. Anytime that you multiply a number times 1, it equals that number. So let's go ahead and see what the equivalent is. 5 times 12 is 60. Good. 5 times 5 is 25. So I put 25 in the numerator. 20 times 3 is 60, good, but 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have 25 plus 3 is 28. So now you have 28 over 60. But see, the trouble with that now is it's got to be, what's that called now? Simplest, it has to be in simplest form. Yep, that's what it's called. So the easiest way for me to do this is I just take half of it. So what's half of 28 is 14. Half of 60 is 30. I can still cut it in half again. Half of 14 is 7. Half of 30 is 15. So there's your answer. It's in simplest form. Right, I want you to stop the video and I want you to think about this and see if you can apply it to the next two problems. All right, see you later.